Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to make your text move? I'll show you how to create dynamic kinetic text in Canva. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose a landscape video for this tutorial. Click the Text tool, then type any text you want. For this example, we will enter sample text. Adjust font and size as needed to fit your design. Select the text you want, then right-click and choose Duplicate to create an exact copy instantly. Add the first item, then place the flag on the designated flag page. Next, add another flag to the following page to complete the setup. Make sure each flag is positioned correctly for clarity. Click the background color option, then select the Brazil palette to change the background color to vibrant green and yellow, matching Brazil's national colors. The background updates instantly. Next, add the text and position it in the corner. Adjust its placement precisely, then confirm the addition to complete this step. Ensure the text is clear and visible. Select both text elements, then press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate them simultaneously. Drag the item down to the second page. Next, align it carefully in this designated area. After positioning, duplicate the item to create a copy. This will help you build consistency across pages. Ensure the duplicated elements are perfectly aligned for a seamless design. Use these steps to maintain a cohesive layout throughout your project. To change the position, first select the object you want to move. Then, click and drag it to the desired location on the screen. You can also use the arrow keys for precise adjustments. If available, enter numerical values in the position fields to set exact coordinates. Confirm the new position by clicking outside the input area or pressing Enter. This allows accurate placement to improve your layout. Repeat as needed to achieve the perfect arrangement. Rotate the object 90 degrees by clicking and dragging the rotation handle. To move it, click and hold the object, then drag it to your desired position. Use these simple actions to adjust orientation and placement quickly within your project workspace for precise alignment and layout control. Use the Ctrl D button for quick access. To change the background, go to the Background Settings area. From there, you can select a new color or choose an image. You can also select a specific region to apply these changes. This lets you customize the appearance easily and quickly for a polished look. First, change the text color by selecting your preferred shade. Next, apply rotation by adjusting the angle settings. This will enhance the text's visual appeal and dynamic effect. Click the Position tool, then use the Rotate option. Enter your desired values in the input field. Next, select the tool again and type in the new rotation angle. Repeat this process by entering additional rotation values to achieve the effect you want. Adjust each setting carefully to ensure smooth motion. Continue adding rotations as needed until your desired animation sequence is complete. Reset the value to 0. Next, add another plant by selecting the appropriate option. Choose a different region and assign a unique color to distinguish it. This helps in organizing your plants visually and by location. Continue adding plants with various regions and colors as needed to complete your setup efficiently and clearly. Navigate to the documentation section. Next, restore the footer by inserting it back into place. This reactivation ensures all footer elements display correctly across your site. Verify the footer's functionality after replacement to confirm everything is working as expected. Adjust settings if necessary for optimal appearance and performance in your web layout. Add the Match and Move effect in the transition. Select Match and Move and adjust the duration to fit your sequence. This ensures a smooth flow between clips by aligning motion elements. Experiment with duration settings until the transition looks natural and fluid within your project timeline. Set the value to year 0.5, apply the sales pin, then view the updated preview to confirm your changes are correct. This appears to be incomplete. Please provide the full rough transcription or more context for rewriting. Once you're satisfied with your animation, click Share. Then select Download and adjust the visual quality settings to enhance the output. Finally, click Download again to save your animation with the improved quality to your device. Now you know how to create captivating kinetic text intros in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tutorials.